Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the steps to format and reset your TP-Link CPE 220 outdoor device. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or troubleshooting a problem, this process will help you get your device back to factory settings. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you have access to the CPE 220 and its power source. You'll also need a computer or mobile device that can connect to the CPE's network. If you're connected to the device's Wi-Fi, go ahead and disconnect, since we'll be resetting it soon. To begin, you'll need to locate the reset button on your TP-Link CPE 220. It's a small pinhole button typically found on the back or underside of the device. You might need a paperclip or a pin to press it. In this case, I will be using a screwdriver with a pointed tip. Now, grab your paperclip or pin, and press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the lights on the device flash or blink. This indicates that the device is resetting. Once the lights start blinking, you can release the button. Give the device a few minutes to fully reboot. The CPE 220 will return to its factory default settings during this process, meaning any custom settings you've configured will be erased. Once the reset is complete, your CPE 220 will be back to its default state. And that's it. You've successfully formatted and reset your TP-Link CPE 220. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.